Welcome back, Upstreamers. Now, you may have heard on the grapevine that blockchain technology is power hungry and bad for the environment. Well, the good news is, at least where Cardano is concerned, these rumours are nothing more than hot air. To take it a step further, you have amazing collectives like the climate neutral Cardano Alliance. To make it easier, I'm just going to call them the CNC Alliance from now on, and I like it because it actually sounds a bit like a wrestling team.
Oh my god, it's the CNC Alliance!
The CNC Alliance is a group of stake pools who are committed to running on 100% renewable energy. Well, doesn't that just sound fan-dabby-dozy? But what is the history behind this little band of renegades? Remember when I said that blockchain technology is power hungry? Well, that is true for blockchains like Bitcoin. They are based on a way of operating that is widely regarded in the media as having a huge negative impact on the climate and the environment as a whole. You've probably heard statistics like Bitcoin's energy usage is the same as the Netherlands annually, being regularly cited as a reason against the adoption of blockchain and cryptocurrency. But Cardano is different. The energy required for Cardano to operate is a fraction of that required by Bitcoin. This is the inspiration for the creation of the CNC Alliance. You see, by planting a relatively small amount of trees, about 218,000, the carbon footprint of the Cardano blockchain could be offset and thus making Cardano climate neutral. Wait, no, that can't be true, can it? Well, there is an ongoing problem. As Cardano grows and has more projects starting up on it, the network will get used more and more, which means more energy will be required for it to run efficiently. Obviously, this means that more trees will need to be planted to maintain the climate neutral label. This is the ongoing mission of the CNC Alliance and the connected stake pools, to keep up with this demand and try and keep Cardano as climate neutral as possible. For example, at Upstream, we run our stake pool on 100% renewable energy from the solar panels installed at the location of our server. However, with CNC being the dedicated bunch they are, they're not stopping there and have just launched their ISPO. The idea is to make it easy for stake pool operators and delegators to donate to ecological and sustainability focused projects and charities. It works by the stake pool operators giving a donation of 85 ADA for the first block they produce in an epoch. This works out about 20% of the pool profits. Not sure what an epoch is? Check out this video up here. This means that the more delegators a pool has, the more chance they have to produce a block every epoch and give more ADA. This is also awesome because you as a delegator aren't losing any of your rewards, but you are helping to give to a good cause. The first project they're supporting is Teti Casa Ala, but we'll tell you all the amazing work they do in next week's video. This round will run for 6 months, and in that time you'll be able to claim CNC ALA tokens through drip drops. We have a video here walking you through how to do that in detail. The tokens are only held for 6 epochs, so make sure you are claiming them every few weeks. But there is a tiny fee to claim your tokens, so to pay as little as possible, follow us on Twitter and we will let you know when to claim your tokens. But what do the CNC ALA tokens actually do? Well, firstly, at the end of this round of donations, they will give you the voting rights on which project to support for the following 6 months. Secondly, you'll be able to use the tokens to redeem exclusive NFT artwork from projects like Cardano Proxies, Yumi Universe, Earth Natives, and Madas Lima. Not only are you helping to support a great cause, but you're also shaping the future of the CNC Alliance and getting some cool artwork as well. As I said before, we'll talk more about Teti Casa Ala and the great work they do in Madagascar next week. But in the meantime, if you want more information on the CNC Alliance, you can check out their website in the description below. Of course, the easiest way to support the project is by staking with one of the Alliance registered pools, which of course Upstream is one. To stay up to date with our weekly content, slap that subscribe button. To find out how to claim your CNC ALA tokens, click this video here, and here's a video on setting up an Eternal wallet on desktop. Until next time, grab your paddle and head upstream.